Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can draw a line in Photoshop. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just select the layer or background where you wanna draw your line. Then just head over to this tool, which is pen tool. To get that, just hold your left click here and you will see a couple of tools. The one which we're gonna use, as I said, is pen tool. So just click on that, and right from this drop down we're gonna select the option shape. Then choose from where you want to draw the line. I'm going to draw the line from this point. I can just click on that and just choose the end point. Let's say I want to end it right here. Click on that and the line would be draw like this. I want to draw till this point. I can just do that too. But let's say if you're the one who want to draw straight line, in order to do that you just need to hold shift key from the keyboard and just click, and yeah, they have created the straight line for us. In order to make it visible, just click on this option stroke. Click on this one and choose the color of your line. I'm gonna choose, let's say, red. Click on OK, and from this drop down right here we can easily adjust the thickness of the line. I guess this would be good, and as you can see the line is looking good. If you want to make it dotted line, just click on this drop down and they'll allow you to choose the dotted line option. You can choose this one too, and if you want to make it more customizable, just click on more option, and right here you can just enter the values. Let's say I want to create 2 dash and 2 gap like this. Click on 3 gap, and here I'm gonna choose 4 and 4. Click on OK, and yeah, there you go, they have created the custom dotted line for us. So yeah guys, this is exactly how you can draw a line in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.